Welcome back, guys. Everyday Guy here. Today is December 3rd, 2016, and I figured it was due time to do an E.D.C update. And for those of you that don't know, E.D.C stands for Everyday Carry. It is the gear, the stuff that we carry on us every day. Everyone carries the basics like wallet. This is my Carhartt wallet. It's a little more bulky than I would like, but great wallet. I can't say anything negative about it. Keys, and of course cell phone. But for the rest of us, there's much more intricate stuff that we put a lot of thought behind. But anyways, back to my keys. These are my truck keys. I got a paracord lanyard, a Leatherman carabiner. It's got a bottle opener, a little hex head driver. It's got great retention. I just really like the carabiner. On my keys, I carry a Victorinox Classic SD in the A-locks with a little mini pry bar. Every once in a while, I'll swap out the Victorinox for the Leatherman Style CS. It's got much bigger scissors. It's got a nail file, tweezers, a blade. Great little guy. I just rotate between this and this. Cell phone. This is my OtterBox Commuter Series. It is empty because I am recording on the phone. Phones are, for the most of us, are probably our most used everyday item. Texting, phone calls, YouTube, music, the list goes on and on. There's also a lot of preparedness involved. I mean, you're talking GPS, note-taking capabilities, recording, video, voice recording. There's 1,000 apps that you can download to better you in your specific everyday uses. But yeah, my phone, it is a Galaxy S7. You will notice that I don't carry a notepad, and that's because if I'm taking notes, it's on my phone. For me, I think the best way for me to take notes, I've tried carrying a notepad, and I either leave it at my truck. I mean, I carry a notepad in my pickup, but I either leave it at my truck or it gets shoved in the door, or I forget it, or whatever. But my phone, I like to open up my notes app and just hit the record button, and I can just talk to my phone, and as I'm talking, it's writing down. I can make checklists. I can just take a general notes. I can make notes of what still needs to be completed on the job site, etc., etc., etc. So my phone is probably one of top 1 or 2 everyday carry items. Next, I do carry a pen. This is the Bic Grip Roller in the Fine. Just a great pen, writes really well. Takes a beating, as you could tell. I mean, it's definitely got some wear and some scratches, but all around great pen. Next is my flashlight, just an El Cheapo Reactor. It's like 30 lumens. It was like $3 at my local hardware store. It does the job. It's not super bright, but day-to-day life, it does a great job. And back to the phone thing for a quick second. It's got a flashlight, so I mean, I technically got 2 sources of illumination. But that's my flashlight. It's cheap, it's not fancy, but it does the job. Next is a watch. This is my Samsung Gear. It's the very first version of the Gear, so it is plenty old, but it still does the trick, still works great. Really enjoy having that, having the capabilities of quickly reading my texts without having to pull up my phone, etc. Anyways, moving on. I carry a mini Bic a lot. Normally these two, and the colors will play a factor when I get onto the multi-tools and stuff. Alright, moving on. So, next are the multi-tools. And I've been a bit of a weirdo lately for some reason, and I pair different multi-tools with different knives, and so lately I've been carrying my Skeletal in the Sublime Green more and more, and I carry my Leatherman with the green lighter, and this guy, picked him up. Review will be coming soon. This is the Bird Metal-Arc 2. Great little knife. I can't say much negative about it. Super light. So, I mean, these are a pair. Although, mind you, to be honest with you, this is probably what I go to most. Just because, I mean, it's one-handed opening, blade's nice and sharp, and it just fits great in the hand. This is like the multi-tool for knife guys. But I do carry a blade with that, and for the past week or two, it's been this one. It came in about a week and a half ago, so I've been carrying it. So for now, that's what I'm carrying. Let's see. I have been carrying my Leatherman Wave here and there. I got a new pocket clip. I got the black oxide. To be honest with you, I like the color contrast of it. Great multi-tool. And I've been carrying, with that one, I've been carrying the Gonzo 729. This is a fun knife, super cheap. I can beat on it and not worry about it. So I've been pairing those two. And then every once in a while, this is normally my work multi-tool, but every once in a while I'll carry it outside of work in the leather sheath on my belt. And this is the Leatherman Rebar. Great multi-tool. Sort of that old school style multi-tool. All the tools are on the outside. It's got that classic look. And to go with the classic looking multi-tool, I've been carrying this sort of classic looking SOG. This is the SOG Fielder. Sorry about that. Great little knife. I guess it's not little, it's like a 3.5 inch blade, but great knife. Super cheap. This was like $20 Canadian. I'm sure Americans can probably find this for $15 or $10 or whatever, but I think it was like $19. Great knife. I really like it. I like the look of it, and I think they pair well together. You know, you got the classic looking knife with the classic looking multi-tool. And yeah, so for those of you that have watched my E.D.C updates before, you're going to notice that there's no paracord bracelet. Winter's not really here, but I live in Ontario, Canada, so the weather's starting to get cooler. I'm wearing my sweaters or my leather jacket, so paracord bracelet just tends to get hung up on my cuffs, and I just haven't been wearing it lately. I could throw one up here and tell you, yeah, I rock it every day, but that's it's not true. So yeah, and for the record, I just want to clarify that I don't carry all these multi-tools and knives together. It's this one, these ones, or vice versa. Sometimes I'll carry the SOG with my Wave, but, and then those two there, and then this lighter is normally for these, and the green one goes with my green Skeletal. So anyways, that is my everyday carry, outside of work carry, for the probably the last 2 weeks of November and going into December, probably for the next few weeks of December. And I will see you in the new year with another everyday update. please like, comment, and subscribe. Check out other videos, and let me know what you guys carry. What is your pocket knife or multi-tool of choice, and etc., etc. Let me know, because I think I want to upgrade flashlights in the new year, so I am looking for suggestions as to what to get. Something around this size. This is a AAA. Whoops. Pen light style. Something. I don't want something super big, fat, and round. So something sleek and. I mean, this is no bigger than a pen, right? So something about this size. So if there's any suggestions for something a little more higher end than this, then please drop me a comment below. I definitely want to be upgrading my flashlight. So, anyways, that is my everyday carry. Please drop me a comment, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. And I am the Everyday Guy, and I'm out.